Hey everyone, Andy here, and today I'm checking out a totally rigged up Panasonic AF100. This is a kit that we put together in order to give you an idea of what you could do with your camera to put on your shoulder and to use in different situations. So I thought I'd just go through the kit with you a little bit and see what I have here and how you could use it for your applications. Now, I started with a Hot Rod AF100 tuner kit. This is their support system for a PL mount lens. Basically, it combines a PL mount adapter, a support system for that to keep the weight off the camera, and a base plate system. I really like this base plate system because it's a lot of height adjustability to it, and it actually has a lot of ways to mount to different tripod plates. It has a cheese plate type bottom, so you could put it onto a lot of tripod plates or onto an airy base plate or on a whole variety of things. And the height is just right, so you can put it onto a 19mm or 15mm studio support without any problem. So it's a very nice support system overall and a great place to start if you're using PL mount lens or just in general. Of course, you could do a Zacuto base plate here or other system as well. This is just where I started from. Now, coming to the front of the camera, you're going to see I have a Compact Prime. This is a Zeiss Compact Prime 2 in PL mount. They come in EF and other lens mounts, but this is the PL mount version for demonstration purposes. Again, they come in a lot of different mount options. You can go straight to the camera if you wanted to. In front of the camera, in front of the lens there, I have an O'Connor O-Box. This is their new matte box system. It's a fantastically strong matte box, 2 stages, rotating stage in the back, and a bellows back here as well, so I can put an additional stage in there even. So this is a really nice matte box. This is very sturdy. Even has some mounting accessory points up here, very nice. And with that are the O-Grips. These are their O'Connor gripping system. It's sort of a great way to hold onto your camera. Very strong. You can hold the whole rig from the handles here, mounts onto those 15mm rods. Very cool to have the grips there. You can even do it with one hand. Release that and tie it back down. So I really like it for that reason alone. So coming to the back of the camera, we have a couple things here that you might have seen before. This is a red plate from Zacuto. This is their plate system for mounting a battery. There's a double mount below it to hold it to the rods, and then I have an Anton Bauer brick up here. So Anton Bauer doesn't have a plate design done yet for the AF100. This is a plate for an EX1, but they will have a plate called the QR-VBG, which will allow me to power the camera directly off the plate. But for now, I'm using it as a counterbalance and also to power accessories off that power tap back there. So I liked having that. And then right below that, I have a little Genesis pad. This is a little inexpensive pad from Genesis. I can just snap onto the rods quickly. So I like having that just to give myself some little comfort on my shoulder. Coming around to the side of the camera, you can see the setup I have here. First, you're going to see the airy follow focus. This is the MFF1 follow focus. I'm a big fan of this follow focus. It's been out for a while. Very sturdy and just well built. And then finally, the really different thing about this rig is that I'm using the Cineroid EVF. This is a electronic viewfinder system. Put on a Zacuto arm here to hold it up in place. And this viewfinder really allows me to put my eye where I want to. My shoulder pad's back here, my eye is right there. And the viewfinder has a little loop on it, a little screen. As you can see, I have an image on this guy, turn the camera on, and I'll be able to utilize many features of viewfinders that I'm used to seeing, as in it has a zebra function, has a zoom in function. We can zoom into the image there. Zebras, I can switch between color and black and white. I can have a peaking feature on there. A lot of things that I really like about it, and really impressive to me is the amount of adjustability they've added in terms of brightness, contrast, and even color adjustments. So it's really a full-featured monitor, just small with a little loop on it, and I'm done. So I like that setup. I run an HDMI cable into it. I can loop back to another monitor if I want to. I can have that live all the time with the camera. So very cool. Now, probably wondering what it's like when it's all together, so let's take it off the tripod. And voila. So now I have myself a fully functional shoulder mounted camera. Very easy to use. I can hold it by the grips, as you can see, and ta-da, I'm working. So I really like this setup. I think there's a lot of ways to rig the camera up. If you weren't using PL mount, then you can just put a still lens directly onto the camera that way, and it would work very similar with the gearing that you put on the lenses. So this is just a starting place, but please use this as a way to build your camera up. I'll put all the parts on the website as well. And then stay tuned also, because Mitch is going to do a video, similar rig, but with a B4 mount 2/3 inch lens directly on this camera as well. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.